When we write down our music, we do it by placing some notes on the staff. This is what a music staff looks like. As you can see, a staff has 5 lines. And in between the 5 lines are 4 spaces. Here's a note we've put on the staff. We've put it right on top of a line. Our note has a line going right through the middle of it. We can say that notes like this are on a line. Here are some examples of some more line notes. You can see that each one of them has a line going right through the middle of it. Here's another note we've placed on the staff. It doesn't have a line going through the middle of it. This note has been put in the space between 2 lines. We can say that this note is on a space. All of these notes are space notes. They are placed in the space between the lines. Do you think you understand the difference between line notes and space notes? Let's play a quick game of line or space. Is this note on a line or on a space? This note is between 2 lines. We can say that this note is on a space. Here's another one. Is it on a line or on a space? Now this one does have a line going right through the middle of it. It is on a line. How about this one? Would you say on a line or on a space? This note is also on a line. One more for you to try. Line or space? There's no line going right through the middle of this note. It is on a space. Sometimes when we are putting notes on the staff, we might want to keep adding notes even higher than the top line or lower than the lowest line. In this case, we've gone up to the space above the very top line. If we want to keep going higher, we're going to need to add another line. We call this short little line a ledger line. And we only add them when we want to place notes above or below the staff. Out of this group of 6 notes, we could say that these 3 notes are on a line. And these 3 notes are all on spaces. Let's try our game of line or space again. What would you say for this note? On a line or on a space? Well, this note is sitting above a ledger line, but the ledger line doesn't go through the middle of the note. This note is on a space. Here's one more. Would you answer line or space? This note does have a line going through its middle, a ledger line. This note is on a line.